Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to give you all some tips on how to get glowing skin. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to receive our next video's notification. In this video, I am going to give you all some tips on how to get that glowing skin you always wanted. First is aloe vera face mask. All you need to take is 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 2 tablespoons of milk cream and a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix all the ingredients to form a paste. Apply this paste evenly on the face and neck. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and then rinse it with warm water. Second is tomato face mask. All you need is 2 teaspoons of tomato juice, 2 teaspoons of buttermilk and a cotton ball. Take 2 teaspoons of fresh tomato juice and a buttermilk. Mix it well. Apply this mixture to your face and neck using cotton ball. Rinse it off after 30 minutes. Third is honey and milk face mask. You need to take 4 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of honey and cotton ball. Warm the milk slightly and mix it with honey. Apply this mixture on the face with cotton ball and leave it for 20 to 25 minutes. And first wash with warm water and then with cold water. Fourth is turmeric face mask. All you need to take is half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda and 1 to 2 teaspoon rose water. Mix the turmeric powder with the baking powder. Slowly add the rose water and mix until you get smooth paste. Apply this pack on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now wet your fingertips and massage your face in a gentle circular motion to remove dead skin. Keep massaging for at least 5 minutes and then rinse it with warm water first and then with normal water. Fifth is banana face mask. Take 1 ripe banana and 2 teaspoons of honey. Now grind the banana in a mixture jar. You can use blender too and mix honey in it. Apply this face mask to your skin and massage it for few minutes. Rinse it off with warm water and then with cold water. Sixth is besan face mask. Take 2 tablespoons of besan, gram flour, 1 teaspoon of milk cream and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Now mix the ingredient to form a smooth paste. You can add milk to it if required. Apply this paste on the face and neck and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash it off with normal water. Seventh is cucumber face mask. All you need is only 1 cucumber. Grate the cucumber or blend into a paste. Apply this paste on your face. Keep it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash it off with normal water. Eighth is yogurt face mask. You need to take half cup of yogurt and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Take a yogurt and add lemon juice in it. Mix it well and apply it to your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash it with warm water and then splash some cold or ice water immediately to tighten up your skin. Ninth is multani mitti face mask. You can take 2 tablespoons of multani mitti, also called fuller's earth, 1 tablespoon of tomato juice, a pinch of sandalwood powder and a pinch of turmeric powder. Now you have to mix all the things into a smooth paste. You can add rose water to it if need more. Apply this paste to your skin and neck and leave it until it's dry. Do not talk when the mask is on your face. Then wash it off with normal water. So friends, these were some tips for your glowing skin. You can try this all as all the ingredients are natural. You may have no side effects. So I will meet you in another video with an interesting topic. Till then, goodbye. Take care.